1 cup of olive oil, lemon, black pepper, salt and mustard. And it's very important, I have a jar to make mayonnaise, and you can see that I have thick blender, and the stick blender must a little bit smaller than the jar, and this way we make the perfect mayonnaise. You have to use a little bit bigger jar or glass stick blender. And let's go start it. The first oil, 2 eggs, I use organic eggs. For this recipe we need very fresh eggs. This is the very healthy version of mayonnaise. No preserves, and you can make your own mayonnaise. Okay, next, mustard. 1.5 teaspoon of mustard, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, black pepper, 1/4 of teaspoon. You can use the white black pepper. I use the black one. I like little colors. And 3/4 of teaspoon salt. Always you can try. If it's not enough salt, you can always add more. Next step, I put the blender to the bottom of my ingredients, the oil and eggs, and turn on, and now it will take 2 minutes to make this mayonnaise. Always try it's enough ingredients. Look at this creamy, beautiful mayonnaise. Nice and thick. You don't have to buy mayonnaise anymore. It's so simple to make and it's very cheap. This amount of mayonnaise will cost you less than $1. You can keep this mayonnaise up to 1 week in the refrigerator.